we should all be concerned about the pollution of our environment and planet Earth. In the simulation, we will look at the damage that burning fossil fuels like oil, coal, and natural gas can cause. When we burn fossil fuel, we get carbon dioxide, water as steam, and sulfur dioxide. The sulfur dioxide produced is a major cause of acid rain, and acid rain is very dangerous as it can damage crops. So as we said, sulfur dioxide is produced by coal-fired power stations. And then the sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen and water in the clouds to form a solution of sulfuric acid, H2SO4, which falls back down as acid rain. It's called acid rain because it contains sulfuric acid. Aluminum ions, which are normally locked in the soil, they dissolve in acid rain, and then they get washed into rivers and lakes where they poison and kill fish. Acid rain leaches essential elements from the soil, hindering the healthy growth of plants. It also attacks the waxy coating on leaves, leaving them more easily damaged by harsh weather and excess loss of water, which can kill plants. Acid rain corrodes metal and limestone in buildings and statues. So you see how acid rain damages the environment on many different levels.